I received a comment regarding this machine, and the comment warned me of a defect in the unit. The commenter stated that if you start the machine with a less than full tank, it seems to rush out of the water will rush out of the tank too quickly, and it will spill inside the unit. Now I intentionally had been starting it with the tank less than full just to see if that would happen, and thus far I have not had it happen. What I usually was doing was I would run it on low at night because it hasn't been that cold yet, and that would be sufficient, and that would go through about half the tank. So the next night I would turn it on with half the tank still there, and in the morning it would be maybe an inch or two up, just about out, and it never leaked. This afternoon, when I got up this morning, I turned it off. It was almost empty. I turned it on this afternoon a few minutes ago with maybe an inch left in the tank, a little bit less than that, and it seemed like it was almost out. I mean, there's just a hair of, there's a little bit of water left in there. So I took the thing out to refill it, and this is what I saw. It spilled all over the place in here. This was up all the way to the top. It's boiled down a bit since I went and got the camera, but this is all the way up at the top. And this is kind of dangerous because this water in here is scalding hot. Now, it's kind of odd because it's almost like they knew this was going to happen, because there's this overflow pool here and there's a little canal for it to spill over, and I don't see how this drains out, so I'll have to just dump it out in the sink. So that's a little ridiculous. The good news is that it doesn't seem to happen unless it's really close to empty, but that's still ridiculous.